If you're ready to take your camping adventures up a notch, but not too wild, the Forest River Wildwood FSX is here to strike the perfect balance. With floor plans ranging from compact travel trailers to feature-packed toy haulers, this line has something for everyone. Whether you're looking at a limited edition model or introductory unit or something built to haul your favorite outdoor toys, the Wildwood FSX is fun, functional, and seriously worth it. We're about to dive into what makes this rig stand out, from its interior features to its construction, and of course, we'll go into towing because getting to your adventure spot is just as important as what happens once you get there. All right, let's take a look. As soon as you step into the living area, you'll notice the Wildwood FSX keeps things clean, modern, and open. The panoramic windows let in tons of natural light, making the space feel bigger than you'd expect from a travel trailer. If you're here to enjoy the view rather than stare at a screen, you're in luck. These are some of the largest windows in this class. That said, if you do want to watch a TV, there's a dedicated prep area ready for installation. Now, when it comes to comfort, seating depends on the floor plan. Most models feature a sofa or theater-style seats, giving you a cozy spot to kick back. And when temperatures swing, you'll be covered. The 13,500 BTU AC keeps things cool, while the 20,000 BTU furnace makes sure you're warm when the weather turns. If you go with a limited or LE model, you'll even get a 5,000 BTU fireplace because, yes, camping should still come with a little luxury. If you're looking at a Wildwood FSX toy hauler, things get even cooler, literally, since these models come with a 15,000 BTU blower, making sure the extra space stays nice and comfortable. And sound is just as important as visuals, and select Wildwood FSX models take things up a notch with a portable Bluetooth speaker, so you can play your music inside, bring it outside, or take it wherever the moment calls for. Speaking of music, food is the real fuel for any great adventure, so let's take a look at the kitchen. Every Wildwood FSX is designed with practicality in mind, featuring a high-rise faucet that makes washing fruits, veggies, and dishes effortless. The 2-burner cooktop with a glass cover gives you both extra prep space and a protective backsplash when it's time to fire up the burners. Most models also include a microwave, while toy haulers step it up with a convection oven, making meal prep even more versatile. Where the Wildwood FSX truly stands out, though, is its fridge size. In most models, you're getting an 11 cubic foot, 12-volt frost-free refrigerator, which is one of the largest in its class, ensuring that there's plenty of space for all your perishables. If you opt for a limited edition model, you'll still get a respectable 4.5 cubic foot fridge, which is perfect for some of those more compact setups. Next up, let's talk bathroom space, because a cramped setup can make or break a trip. Wildwood FSX offers a larger than usual 36 by 24 inch shower pan, giving you extra elbow room. Most models also come with a mirrored medicine cabinet, giving you a convenient spot for bathroom products and prescriptions. For those who like to boondock, the 40-gallon fresh water tank make it possible to go off-grid for longer stretches without constantly worrying about refills. When it's finally time to crash for the night, the Wildwood FSX doesn't disappoint. Most models feature a queen bed complete with flanking wardrobe closets for easy storage. And if you need even more space to stash your gear, just look under the bed, because most FSX models come with built-in storage bins, perfect for linens, towels, and all the little things you don't want cluttering your living space. Before that bed lulls us into a nap, let's step outside and check out what the Wildwood FSX exterior has to offer. The first thing you'll notice, that awning is massive. It's a power awning, so with the push of a button, you've got instant shade, no struggling with pulls or cranks. When the temperature rises, you can cool off outside thanks to the outdoor shower, which is perfect for rinsing off muddy kids, sandy feet, or the family pup before they track all that dirt inside the camper. Up front, powered tongue jacks are available on most models and come standard on the toy haulers, just making hitching and traveling simple. The larger than normal baggage doors lead to a spacious storage area, giving you plenty of room for chairs, grills, and other camp essentials. And for those who want off-grid capability, solar power is built into the FSX lineup. You're prepped for both side and roof-mounted solar inlets, and toy haulers come standard with a 200-watt solar panel, 30-amp controller, and a battery. Thinking of adding a TV? No problem. Every Wildwood FSX comes with an omnidirectional TV antenna with Wi-Fi prep, so whether you're streaming shows or just trying to catch the big game, your signal will stay nice and strong. The nitrogen-filled tires keep air pressure stable a little longer, reducing the chances of unexpected flats. And beneath the surface, every FSX model includes the accessibelly system, which features a sectional underbelly cover, making it easier to access components for maintenance. If you're looking at a toy hauler, the cold weather package adds even more protection with a fully enclosed underbelly, thermal foil insulation, and 12-volt heated tank pads that auto-activate at 48 degrees Fahrenheit. For serious tailgaters, the FSX toy haulers bring the party with a ramp door patio kit, turning the back of your rig into a full-fledged outdoor lounge. And if you want to upgrade the look of your FSX, the Platinum package lets you swap in a sleek fiberglass exterior, because why not make your trailer as stylish as it is functional? Now that we've seen all that, let's talk construction. Every Wildwood FSX is built on a powder-coated I-beam frame with a cambered chassis, ensuring a solid foundation. The one-piece Superflex roof keeps water out, while fiberglass insulation in the walls helps regulate temperature. Beneath it all, the enclosed underbelly keeps out unwanted critters and the elements, ensuring year-round durability. And now, the big question. What do you need to tow one of these? Well, if you're looking at the Wildwood FSX travel trailers, including the LE models, they range from about 23 to nearly 30 feet. The smaller models are under 4,000 pounds dry, making them towable by a lot of mid-size SUVs like the Ford Explorer or Nissan Pathfinder, as always depending on trim level. For the longer travel trailers, which weigh in closer to 5,000 pounds dry, you're going to need a little more muscle. A properly equipped Ford Ranger or Chevy Colorado will get the job done. The Wildwood FSX toy haulers cover a broader weight range though. Some sit in the 5,000 pound dry weight area, while others tip the scales between 7,000 and 8,000 pounds. So for the heavier models, you'll need a vehicle with some serious towing power like a Ford F-150, properly equipped Dodge Durango, or Ram 1500. If you're not sure what your vehicle can handle, the best thing to do is to check your owner's manual, or better yet, simply stop by a Camping World and let the pros help you figure it out. While you're there, you might as well step inside a Wildwood FSX and see if it's the adventure rig you've been looking for. Happy RV hunting, and more importantly, happy camping.